For 2 years, I searched. I spent hundreds of dollars on courses, watched thousands of videos, took pages and pages of notes, but I never felt ready. I wanted to start something amazing, but I was stuck in this endless loop of learning, planning, and second-guessing myself. It felt like every expert had a secret formula. Every video had another tip I had to learn before I could even think about starting. But in the end, all that preparation led to one thing: nothing. I wasn't creating. I wasn't building. I was just stuck in the cycle. And then I found it. One 3-minute video, just 180 seconds. It wasn't fancy. It came from a successful yet authentic creator named Colin Michael, and his to the point, no BS message was what actually got me to finally create and publish this first YouTube video. I strongly believe it could have a similar impact for others, which is why I wanted to share a trimmed down version of what I personally thought were Colin's most powerful messages. The full video will be linked in the description below, but let's now dive into the most raw, uncut, and authentic advice I've ever come across on how to begin and grow a YouTube channel.
As a creator with over 300,000 subscribers, over 34 million views, there's no magic pill. What is actually going to grow your channel is doing the work and making content and going through that whole process. You already know, hey, I gotta make content around topics people are interested in. I need to make good thumbnails that are at a competing level. I know I need to make an engaging video. Once you consume something, you have to apply information. Do you actually take that information and then go apply it? Or are you just consuming for the sake of consuming? Like, yes, I'm improving, I'm making myself a better creator. You have to let failure do its work and instruct you on how to grow. Even with me, as a 300,000 subscriber channel, I still get videos that only get like 1,000 to 2,000 views. It happens. There's only so much education you can have before you actually need to get in the game and get experience. The reality is 88% of all videos on YouTube have less than 1,000 views. Post content, fail, learn from your mistakes, and improve upon that. I'm going to put an end card on this video. Turn off YouTube, get to work.